everyone. In today's phonics class, we are going to learn the sound of the letter M. The sound of the letter M is Let's try a few words which start with the sound. M is for mat. 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 M is for mop. 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 M is for mug. 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 M is for man. 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 M is for mask. 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 M is for moon. 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 M is for milk. 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 M is for mother. 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 M is for mango. 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 M is for muffin. 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 M is for mirror. 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 M is for mouse. 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 M is for magnet. 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 M is for market. 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 M is for mushroom. 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 M is for mountain. 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 M is for motorcycle. 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 And don't forget me, M is for monkey. 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 I hope you enjoyed learning the sound of the letter M with me. See you again very soon in another phonics class. Until next time, goodbye and do take good care.